What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to blur photos on any iPhone. The built-in Photos app doesn't offer a manual blur tool, so we'll use a third-party app. Open the App Store on your iPhone, tap on the search bar at the bottom right and search for Blur Photo Effect Background App in the search bar above. On the search results, tap on the app icon to open its profile page and download it to your iPhone. Once you're in, go to the bottom menu and tap on Blur under Editing Tools. You will now be prompted to choose a photo from your gallery. Pick the one you want to edit. After selecting your photo, you can crop it if needed, but if you want to keep it as is, just tap Done in the top right corner. Now, the photo will load in the editor. Tap on the Blur button again, and you can start manually drawing over the parts of the image you want to blur. Once you've applied the blur, you can customize how it looks. Tap on Effect at the bottom to adjust the blur strength. You can make it more or less intense depending on what you're going for. You can also tap on Brush to fine-tune the tool size and control how precise your strokes are. This is useful if you're working on smaller areas or edges. When you're happy with the result, tap Next on the top right. Then hit the share icon. Your blurred photo will automatically be saved in your iPhone's gallery, and you'll also have the option to share it on social media platforms like Facebook and Instagram. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.